Dear educators, welcome to the Student Alliance community. My name is Shahrukh. So in today's session, we're going to talk about a very simple thing as to how you can have a multi window option in the panel. So just go on your settings. So as soon as you click on your settings, just click on personal. Now here you have a multi-window option. Description, it's suppose displaying more than one app at the same time. Just click on this, enter, restart. So it will restart. Generally it takes up to less than 30 seconds to 1 minute time. Now it's restarted. So as soon as the starting is done, I just click on different windows. For example, I can just click on Note. After Note, I can just click on some other application like a palette, right? Or I click on Finder. Again, I click on Note. I click on Finder. So like this, you will have multiple applications where you can see and you can close them at the same time, making your life much more easier, just like using your Android 11 application. Thank you so much.